Hello, Carlos. I wanted to go ahead and record this short video to show you some of the things I'm working on and what exactly is involved in the SEO that I have mentioned to you. So first of all, this is our brand new website. It is looking beautiful. It has the minimum amount of content that we need to get us ranking. We might need to add on to that later on, though, just to give you a heads up. So this is what our ranking on Ahrefs looks like right now. Ahrefs is a tool that I use to show you what your standings are with Google. Right now we have no data. This will slowly change once I put in the Google Map Pack, get you guys ranking in there. Then it's going to slowly get some data in there. But this is where we want to be. So this is one of the top competitors on the Map Pack. I haven't actually checked the organic search. But this is US Duct. They are out of Kernersville. They have some great ratings, so let's go look at that. So this is their ratings with Google. It's pretty good. So the UR is a 36, that is their homepage, and their DR is their entire website. Now they're doing something right because these numbers are very close together. We call it the golden ratio. And you want those numbers to be close together. Most websites aren't, though. I'll be completely honest. Most of the time, your homepage is going to be way better than your entire website. It's normal, but they are definitely a company that I want to copy. So we're looking at a few different things here. So we're looking at their backlinks and also the referring domains. So the referring domain is supplying all their backlinks that they have. Sometimes a domain can have 60 different backlinks coming off of it to you. You just want to make sure they're not spammy. I'm going to tell you, though, that they have 295 referring domains, and they're probably pretty good backlinks. So when I do my SEO, I go through and I find your top competitors, and then I go into the backlinks and I go through each separate backlink. And I'm going to figure out whether or not it's a guest post blog, whether it's just a directory. There's 4 different categories that I look at. And so that's going to determine whether or not we have to pay money to get on the directory or the guest post blog. It determines how much traffic's going to there. The more traffic it has, the more trust it normally has with Google, as long as they're not spammy links. So I'm going to go through all your competitors, and I'm going to pick out the very best backlinks to get for you. And all a backlink is it is a link on their website that points to your website, and it transfers power from their website to yours. Now, that's only if they're do follow backlinks, which we want to have the majority of our backlinks be. You want to have a few no follow on there. It makes you look more trustworthy with Google. So that's what I'm going to do. Right now, I'm just doing the citations for your Google Map Pack, which was in your contract. And so I'm just getting your name, address, and phone number. This directory I'm doing right now, I have to go through and figure out exactly all the different things you can have to be listed on this directory. Each directory takes me anywhere from 10 to 30, even longer sometimes to do, and I'm doing 20 of those for you. And so that's the kind of thing that we really need to get you on Google and to make your website more than just an online business card for you. So I really need to talk to you about if you wanted to do SEO and exactly which package you want to do. It's going to really determine how quickly you get found on Google. Because if you want to get found quickly, then we have to do the guest post blogs, and those generally cost money. So we have some things to talk about. I also need to talk to you about whether or not you want to do the website maintenance. It's a good idea to do it, just because of the fact that if you go ahead and catch these problems early on, it's easier to track down, and it's easier to figure out exactly what's going on with it. So thank you so much, Carlos. I look forward to speaking with you. And then also the maintaining of these directories also. So I look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a great evening. Bye-bye.